How to park this kind of parking lot in 40 seconds. Let's get started. I'll show you exterior drive parking and interior drive parking. Let's see how it's easy to park in this parking lot. First, drive straight to the parking lot area, and then turn your steering to the full left. Check the left side mirror to see the red car behind you. Change the reverse gear and fall back tilt when you see the red car right back light. When you closer to the bottom line of the parking space, then slightly turn the wheel to the left. Make sure your car is parallel to the bottom line. Now you see, your car body is parallel with the line. Then straight the wheel back and pull back slowly. Now your car parking went smoothly done. If you want to learn more driving skills in real life, then this will help you a lot by learning in realistic driving game. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.